oily face. The girls, we have the paint. We got our paintbrush. I'm gonna paint the walls. I have to get this stuff off the wall. Command stickers, it's good in theory, but when you're really trying to take it off the wall, it don't make no sense and it's hard. So we're gonna take that off. I was washing the walls this morning because I was trying to get it off and I couldn't, but whatever. Should we have painted the walls before we put up the bookcase? Yes, but did I say I have sense? No. So, and I probably should have waited, but I don't know, whatever. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna change out this top because if I got this dirty, I'd be so upset. It was not cheap, so let me change. I'm gonna try to scrape off the stickers from the wall and see how that goes. No, like seriously, how are you supposed to get this off? Okay, let's get to painting. Okay, so here's the paint. Oh my god, I can't do anything. I'm being bullied by my mother because she's like, oh, you can't open it. No, I can't open it. I'm weak. I never said I was strong.
I got the paint up and everything already.
No, just open it for me, please.
Open it. Start from the top.
Why? Doesn't matter?
Yes. Because you have to bring it in together, otherwise it would look patchy. Angelica, make sure you put enough where you see this is here. You have to do like this. Good girl. Very good. You're learning.
I knew what to do.
That's your first job.
Okay, so here are the walls. Now you really can't tell that like anything was wrong with it. I mean, I didn't really show you guys at the beginning. I'm sorry about that, but still. Hey guys, so it's been a couple of days and there has been a huge addition to the family. We've got Coco. We got a dog. A very fast decision on my family's part. I was pretty shocked. We got this little baby. He's the cutest little baby in the world. So I have some stuff that I bought and they finally came in. Some is for my room. Pretty sure Coco will be sleeping in my room like he has been for the past few days. So I got him a bed and we're gonna open it. This package is the package for my walls, the painting. And I got these leaves to put on my walls, but I got these like a good week ago, but I've been so busy with school that I haven't like, you know, got anything. And I got this clicker to train him. I can't lift it all the way up, but that's his bed and we're gonna unbox it, all right? His stuff is kind of all over the place because he's a dog, you know? And my room is like his dorm. So we're gonna open this. I'm wearing pants, please relax. Coco. He's a very good dog. Stop it. I don't want him to cut himself on the box cutter. Okay, this is a very awkward position. Are you excited for your dog bed, baby? Now why they got it wrapped like it's a sardine or something? This is for you, babes. Stay there. Try this out, babes. Sleep. Go on it. Go on it. Come. I know, my babes. Go on the bed. Okay, it fits him, kind of, but he's not going to sleep here. Do you see him? He wants to sleep in my lap. He doesn't want to sleep on the bed. This is such a weird angle, but hi.
That's a big bed.
No, not really.
Oh, it's so small.
I don't know, I thought it got bigger, but he fits in it, so. Alright. You can sniff it.
What's stopping you from launching your business?
The way he just took this out of his bed. This is what it looks like. Y'all can't really see it, but it's so nice. That's so irritating that they don't fit, but whatever. It said, this is how you know that Shein lies, because they fully said it was supposed to be 13 inches, and this is 13 inches. And it doesn't fit, but whatever. It also needs to be ironed, but. just saying that these are probably like really bad if there's a fire. In schools, I look stupid. In schools, you can't have like stuff hanging from the ceiling because it's a fire hazard. So let's knock on wood that we never have a fire in here because my room is up in flames. One love, one leaf. Let's get to, okay. But I don't want it to look like, not really. Okay, but isn't that already cool? I might need assistance, but I don't want to ask for help. Okay, so this is what we have so far. And I made it like fall off of that. It looks really nice. I really vibe with it. I like it a lot. It kind of looks really scattered on camera, but it looks so good. He wants the X-Acto knife. You can't have it. Alright, so we got the LED lights from Amazon. It took forever to come, but whatever, it's fine. So I'm not gonna show you all my address, but here it is. Cute, fun. 16.4 times 2 is 32. So yeah, I think it should work. I'm just gonna test it. My lights are already on. We're gonna see if it like works the same, and if not, I'll just take down the other one and put this one up. I just really don't want to do that. So I think this is what makes it like work with music. Yeah, this is the music controller. So I'm gonna have to take off the one that I already have, like it's disconnected and connected to this one. Oh my god, I'm an engineer. Put this one with that one, this one with the other one. All right, let's try it. Oh no, it doesn't work. No. Okay, you know what? I just have to take down the stuff. That's it. Okay, so hopefully if I just replace this one with this one, everything will be fine. I will have to, you know, put it back, but whatever. No, it won't work. Plan D, whatever. I need to replace the whole thing. Okay, it works. It's on. I might cry. All right, I'm taking a break. Taking a break. I'm very hungry. I've been doing this for like half an hour. I'm caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. On to the second one.
I can put you in the condo.
All the way up in Toronto.
Want me now, I can't even hold it. Now, ooh, I can't believe it. Station made the people say yeah.
I officially have LED lights, baby. Play.
Here we are, all alone in this room.
Oh, that's sick. Why can't I? Wait, it goes with my speak. Okay, come on, man. Come on. Yo, it literally goes with my speaking. Ah! That's so cool. Okay, well, this is gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna go show my mom, because this is really cool. Hey, y'all. So it's been like a good few days. If I look oily, mind your business. Here's Coco. I called him because we got some packages to open, and some of it is for him. So he needs to be here to try it on. Let me set y'all up. Oh my god. I don't want to talk about how much this vinyl was, but we're not even gonna open that first because I want Coco to try this on first. I got him a new harness because he was being bad one day and we were out. Okay, he's so flippin' cute. Look at him. Look at him. He was sitting in the backseat of the car eating up his last harness. He had a harness. It was a cute little blue one that my aunt got us for him, and he chewed it, and he like it was, yeah, I'm talking about you. There was like one thread left to this harness, and it was, it's not the color that I ordered. This is a large. Waiting like 4 days for this and they got me the wrong one. It's not gonna fit him. What is this? It's for like a damn golden retriever or something. My god, my dog's a Yorkie. It cannot fit that. This is what we all came for. It's what we're here for. Whatever, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so I don't want to talk about how much I paid for this. I really don't want to talk about how much I paid for it, but I'm just happy that it's here. I need to go ahead and get like a vinyl player or something because I can't be spending this much money on vinyls and I don't even have anything to play it. Cute. It's the lemonade vinyl. Y'all know where it's about to go. It's gonna go right there. Oop. Right there. Okay, if I spent, okay, I'm gonna just say it. I spent like $50-something on this, alright? I spent $50-something on here, and the Views album isn't gonna be coming from Amazon because they don't have it. I have to order it from the second website, and that website, it's like $44 within USD, so it's gonna be like $60. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we'll see how I decide to spend my paper. Oh yeah, don't mind my room. I was eating. I did my toenails. I would show y'all my feet, but you guys know how I feel about showing my feet on my channel. Y'all are weird. Pants from Shein, you know, top from Polo. Okay, so I'm thinking here. I like here. Oh my god, this looks so flipping cool. Look at that. Look at that. I look like a little music connoisseur or something. Like, look at it without it. Boring, bland. Look at it with it. Amazing, fantabulous, never been done before. Why is it focusing on my butt? Anyways, let me get my thing. Good morning, my children. It is, what's the date? It's like May 7th. It's almost 11 o'clock and my posters have finally came. Oh, Coco says good morning as well as he's in his bed. In theory, this would be the last thing that I would have for my room, but I did a little bit of an impulsive buy and I purchased another vinyl for my wall. Once that comes in, that's it. That's all that you guys will see for this video. I bought my posters. Yes. Hush. I bought my posters from Poster Jack. I was going to buy them from Staples, but if editing Angelica even gets to that, it was so expensive, like ridiculously expensive. So oh my god, this is so sick. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, they printed it on white. The background was yellow. Look at the Views one. Oh, bless you, baby. I'm so happy. Oh, these are sick. Did I fix that? No, I didn't. A little bit of a something there, but don't look too close. Don't look too close. So I finally got my last vinyl. This is the last one I'm gonna put on my wall. Once I'm done, I'll go ahead and show you guys the finished product. But if you guys didn't know, this is Hozier's self-titled album. This is my favorite album. So it's going here. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. I don't have any more stickers to put this up there, so she's just gonna have to, I don't know where I'm gonna put her. When I finally finish my room, I will show you guys and the video's gonna be over. Alright, bye. I've come equipped with the necessary things for this. I don't know. I went and bought it from Fortino's. Period. Y'all remember when I said I was done with my room? Y'all remember that? Well, I'm not. Okay, so I was working one day and I found that they had these duvet covers on sale. So I bought one because I really want one. I couldn't get the quality that I wanted off of Amazon because the Amazon ones were like $40 and $50, but they were really thin. And I like to be warm, but I'm not really sure if you're supposed to, you know what, let me stop rambling. Anyways, so I got one. I got a duvet cover And this just came in today. It's gray. I don't know if this really matches my room. Let's get to assembling this. This seems complicated. I don't want to do it anymore. It kind of makes my room feel cozy. This is really comfy. It's nice. Oh my god, it makes my bed look huge. See y'all after for a full room reveal, I think, hopefully.
Welcome to Jocelyn's Cabaret. Your every desire will be fulfilled. Your wish is my command.
Okay, that intro was very stupid and overdramatic, but guess what? I finally finished my room and it's here to show you guys how it looks. Enjoy!
Ryan Little.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her